Congratulations, Inframach, official importer for MAN truck and bus Indonesia. Indonesia is an important market in Southeast Asia where demand for commercial vehicles is rapidly growing. The opening of this new service center is a strategic step to provide customers with higher maintenance quality and greater efficiency in parts supply. As a lead country of the Australasia cluster, Korea will continue to collaborate and support at a global level to further enhance customer value and strengthen trust in the brand. Again, congratulations!
Congratulations on the grand opening of Inframach Workshop di Cikarang. Semoga workshop ini menjadi pusat inovasi dan maju terus Inframach. Congratulations!
And we continue to grow, not only in markets where we are already present, but also in new markets. Talking about growth, also the bus market worldwide is growing. Cities are becoming larger. We see that also here in Indonesia. When I lived in Bandung in 2000, I think the population in Indonesia was around 220 million. I think at the moment it's 285 million. You can see that also here population is growing, urbanization is growing.
Inframach Indonesia telah membuka grand opening, memulai babak baru, menjawab tantangan dunia, di mana saat jalan-jalan terus sudah tersedia, transportasi prasarana disiapkan, Inframach hadir pada waktunya memvalidasi untuk bis yang bisa menunjang kebutuhan masyarakat. Kita ucapkan selamat, begitu juga pertambangan sehingga Inframach bisa memberikan kontribusi dalam pembangunan negara kita. Terima kasih, Tuhan berkati.